Okay, so here we have one addition and one subtraction problem in Alphabitia. We have DOA plus ABC. We have our units, our longs, flats, and cubes. So let's get into it. We have A units. A units looks like this. Plus C units. C units looks like this. We add them together and we get D units. So A plus C is D. Slide them over. We now have O plus B. O is nothing, so we have nothing plus B. B longs looks like this. So we have O plus B is B. Now we get to our flats. We have D flats D flats plus A flats. When we have D plus A, that equals AO. So what we need to do is we need to take away these flats and turn them into a cube. We now have A cubes, O flats, B longs, and D units. That makes our answer DOA plus ABC equals AOBD. All right, moving on to our subtraction problem. Let's clear our board. DOA minus BC. We're going to start with our units. We have A units. A looks like this. Minus C units. C units looks like this. We don't have enough units here to take away C units. So what we need to do is we need to borrow from our friend next door. But our friend next door doesn't have anything. So we need to borrow from his friend next door. We're going to borrow from D. So that means we're going to turn D into a C. So that means that O would turn into D. So A would really be A. So what we need to do with this is we need to hop over to this neighbor. We hop 2 neighbors over. Well, let's go back to the beginning. DOA looks like this. DOA. We need some longs, so we're going to break up this flat. Okay. Our flat broken up looks like these longs. We still need more units, so we're going to break up this long into units. All right. Now we have AA units. Okay. Now we're able to take away our C units. We're going to take away our C from down here, which means we're going to take away our C from up here. And that leaves us with C units. So this AA minus C is C. Now we're going to move on to our longs. We have D longs minus B longs. All right, D longs minus B longs. We're going to take away our B, which means we need to take away B longs from here. D minus B equals B longs. We now have C units, B longs. We're left with C flats, but there's nothing that we're taking away. So C take away nothing is C. And that's how we do our addition and subtraction problem with our manipulatives in Alphabitia.